Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am presenting a healthy and delicious stir-fry recipe with moringa leaves which can be served with rice or other meals of your choice. Moringa or drumstick tree leaves stick out as a superfood because the leaves are considered as a good source of iron, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, and riboflavin and have notable amounts of potassium and magnesium. That means moringa leaves can contribute to everything from better vision and immunity to bone health and skin radiance. 500 grams of moringa leaves. Wash thoroughly, then drain and separate the leaves from the stack. Add 3/4 cup of grated coconut and 4 sliced green chilies. Tempering ingredients: 4 dried red chilies, 6 garlic cloves, and half onion, crushed together and keep aside. Heat 1½ tablespoons of oil into a frying pan. Add 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then add the crushed tempering ingredients along with 2 stalks of fresh curry leaves. Here I am adding preserved curry leaves, so I will add it later. If you want to learn how to preserve curry leaves and store it for later use, watch the video on the card notification on the right top corner. Add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder. Bring down the flame to medium and fry the tempering ingredients until it turns dark brown. Make sure not to over fry it. Add half of the moringa leaves and mix well. Then add the remaining half and mix together. When you add the entire volume in one go, you will face a problem mixing it. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Remove the lid and mix well. Bring down the heat to low and cook for another 3 minutes. Mix periodically. It is important not to overcook it. Overcooking will result in the loss of nutrients. Sprinkle some salt and adjust as per your liking. Here I am giving an optional step. Combining with 3 scrambled eggs will give an extra punch to the taste. Now it's ready to serve. Serve hot. If you like watching this video, don't forget to like, share, drop a comment below, and please subscribe, then enable the notification to all by tapping the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.